Hi everybody, this is Penny. Welcome back to my channel.
I need to hear it from you.
Oh, no doubt. I think no one has my son's best interest. I guard him and protect him with my life.
So today in this video, we're going to talk about how we're going to show you how to move up a client in bed. So right now we're going to start with the two persons, and then I'm going to show you how to do it when you by yourself and don't have no help. These are our helpers, our sons, Farad, baby boy, and Ahmad. And that's Carl. Okay, they just laying him down flat so they can reposition him up in the bed. And always tell your whoever you're doing it for, let them know what you're doing, because if they sitting up, engaging TV or listen to music, you're gonna startle them by just laying them down. They need to know they're going down. So what we're about to do right now, we're about to get him out of bed and put him in a chair. So in doing so, we're gonna have to put the sling under him because he's not ambulatory. So therefore, we have to help him. They're gonna Hoyer lift, they're gonna put him in a Hoyer lift. Here using the Hoyer lift. So now this is the one person. So if you home by yourself, don't have any help whatsoever, and you need to get your loved one out the bed to a chair or to the wheelchair, I'm going to show you how to do it. And oh yes, I did take my wrap off. It got hot. It just got hot. I'm sorry. So I'm going to bring the thing down so I can strap it on here. It's really simple. Once you do it, it's just like, you won't forget how to do it. Okay, Carl, I'm gonna lift you up here. I know your neck gonna be pulled up a little bit. Okay, so once you get him in the bed or near the chair or on the wheelchair, you wanna turn this lever here. You gotta go really slow because I'm gonna show you what's gonna happen if you do it fast. You're gonna go down. So you wanna do it slow. And you wanna guide him in the middle of the bed. All the way down. And I'll stop it right there. So you unhook it. And then you unhook the last one. Move out. Okay, so again, this is a sling. They come in different sizes. This is a large. And it has a hole here at the bottom where the butt go. And you hook it, and you kind of cradle them like this onto these hooks. So it's very simple. One person can do it or two people, as you saw, it could be done. And this is a manual. Actually, this is a manual one, the cranking. They have electrical one. I had that early on, but they gave me this. This is my workout equipment. I don't need to go to no gym. So this is what I use, and it works out great. So that's it, you guys. Thank you for coming by. I'll see you guys next Tuesday at 2. Peace.
You love me with the